In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom channel slow mode time on Discord. If you manage a Discord server, slow mode is a useful moderation feature that helps reduce spam and keeps conversations organized. Instead of allowing members to send messages continuously, slow mode requires them to wait for a certain amount of time before sending another message. You can configure this setting individually for each channel, making it easy to control the pace of conversations based on the channel's purpose. To get started, open Discord on your computer and navigate to the server that contains the channel you want to edit. Keep in mind that you'll need the appropriate permissions, such as Manage Channels, to change the slow mode settings. Once you've found the channel, right-click on its name and select Edit Channel. This will open the channel settings, where you can customize various options, including the channel name, topic, permissions, and moderation settings. Make sure you're on the Overview tab. Scroll down until you find the Slow Mode option. Click the Slow Mode drop-down menu to view the available time intervals. Discord provides several preset options, starting from 5 seconds and going all the way up to several hours. Simply select the amount of time you want members to wait before they can send another message in that channel. After choosing your preferred slow mode duration, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to apply the new setting. The selected slow mode will immediately take effect for that channel. If you want to change the delay later, simply return to the same slow mode setting, open the drop-down menu again, and select a different time interval. If you no longer want slow mode enabled, choose Off from the top of the list and save your changes. Members will then be able to send messages without any waiting period. Keep in mind that users with certain permissions, such as administrators or moderators, may be exempt from slow mode restrictions depending on your server's permission settings. That's all there is to it. Setting a custom slow mode time is a simple way to reduce spam, encourage more meaningful conversations, and keep your Discord channels organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,